hours. We found some wild dogs, drinking. We've been so lucky with wild dogs, man.
Huh?
Lifetime. We see them.
Good reflections.
Yeah.
That's
I see.
Reflection is magnificent, huh?